Here at AIDE workshops, so the workshop run by APU, Asia Pacific University, and Learn Together on generative AI. The idea of this workshop is to introduce generative AI in teaching and learning, research, academic writing, health professionals, all that to our community. Learn is doing it as a leader in digital transformation so that we can make all this our community aware of the generative AI era and the changes that generative AI can make. At the same time, we also want to develop the capacity of all our stakeholders on generative AI.
I have a minimum benchmark that by the end of December 2024, 3,000 teachers in Sri Lanka would have been trained in the use of generative AI, and this will be the beginning of the transformation and revolution in education in Sri Lanka, which I believe would overcome some of the major problems that Sri Lanka faces.
And he has put this together, and I think this is an amazing 5 days of stuff that he has arranged.
I had the pleasure of having participated this AI for Learning Design workshop. That was actually a game-changing experience for me. I learned many things there, like as an administrative, as an academic, how we can develop our curriculums from individual lesson plans to course design. So we learn like how we can use Gen AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and many other tools, like from text generation to video generation to audio generation.
Today I participated in AI research workshop. Basically, actually, it enhances my research skill. That is the basic thing. But even though I used AI tools earlier in my research, now I learned how to use AI tools effectively and efficiently in a research proposal and also in a research.
We can become more patient-centered clinicians and more student-centered teachers and more responsive administrators by using AI.